So Barry's not available, so we want to send him a text again. Thumb on the button for a couple of seconds. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just testing the Apple Carplay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now, you would have heard then that a text come up. There's a 1 in the messages. You're driving down the road, you're dying to know what your text says. You can either click it here or, again, click for 2 seconds here. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
Brilliant system, and you can do anything you want. Again,